October 26, 2023, Abu Dhabi University at the moment. Very heavy thunderstorms, hitting all around Abu Dhabi. Absolutely insane rain, absolutely insane thunderstorms. It's been 7 years, nearly 7 years, since Abu Dhabi has ever had something like that. And I do truly believe this is because of what's happening to our brothers and sisters in Gaza right now. This is absolutely it. Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar. This is from God. This is a message, guys. Justice will be served. Justice will be served. Allahu Akbar. This is insane, guys. This is just insane. It's a swimming pool. It's flooding right now. Everyone is stuck in university. Everyone is stuck in university. No one's going home. Allahu Akbar. Very heavy thunderstorms. الله أكبر لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إنا كنا من الظالمين لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. This is very big, guys. This is a message to Israel. This is a message to Gaza as well, brothers and sisters. This is Ard Jihad, guys. This is Ard Jihad. Never, always stand your ground. Believe in God. Spread the message. Do what you can. If you can't do anything, just do what you can. Allahu Akbar. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us, reward us, and grant us victory. La ilaha illallah. This is huge, guys. I'm shaking right now. Wallah, I'm shaking right now. Guys, nobody, this is insane. I can't, wallah, I can't. I'm literally shaking, guys. Look, our university. Look at this. It's flooding. It's a flood. I don't know if I can hit the streets right now and go home. I don't think that's possible. I would love to go home, but I can't. I'd rather stay here than go home. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.